Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the remote access on your phone to access your ThermoMix TM7 to monitor cooking recipes or quickly send a recipe. For that, first make sure that it's set up on your device. Go to the 9 dots on the left sidebar, then go to the settings. Now in the settings, make sure to go to remote access and then enable remote monitoring. You can also enable Recipe Handover so you can send recipes to your ThermoMix directly from your phone, and you can set it up so that either everyone nearby that has the Kukito account can hand over recipes, or people signed into your Kukito account. I'll leave it on that, and now let's get to the phone. In the Kukito app, you'll need to go to your your profile icon in the top right corner and go to the notifications. Then click on connect to your ThermoMix, and it'll ask you for two permissions: the notifications and Bluetooth. Once I allow notifications, I can also allow Bluetooth, and now it'll say you're all set. Once I've allowed these, I should be able to access my ThermoMix from the activities now. So let's try going to recipe. Then I'll cancel it to start from the beginning. And then if I start whisking, I can, oh, I skipped it. Let's try again. Yeah, let's click on next and then let's start. You'll notice that on your screen at the very top, the cooking activity will appear. Now you can click on it to see more info about the recipe, which is helpful. That way you can easily check what's next in the recipe. You could also like go into it and bookmark it or stuff like that. It will appear here how much time is left. It's almost exact. And it shows you allow live activities if you have an iPhone, which means that you can slide down and click on allow. Slide down from the top and click on allow. So from now on, it will show up on your lock screen as well. So you'll have easier access. You can see it shows up on my lock screen. I can click on it to see more about it. And yeah, it shows me the time, the temperature. I don't have a temperature set, so it doesn't show me that. And yeah, that is basically it when it comes to these activities. Now, one more thing is handing recipes over. I'll cancel the recipe. Now, handing recipes over means it will load it onto your ThermoMix automatically. So if you were just looking for recipes on your phone, you probably don't want to, like, for example, bookmark it, then go to bookmarks on the ThermoMix, or just type in the name in the search. Instead of that, you can just send it, and it's super easy. Once these permissions were enabled that we enabled at the beginning, you can simply select something you'd like to cook, and then you'll have this Send to TM7 button. Once you click on it, it will appear on your TM7, just like that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.